Guys, we got a first 2013 Ford Escape Turbo 2.0. Let us show you guys what we did on it. He wanted it as loud as possible, didn't care. I said, we got you. So it was his idea. So what we did, there's the stock converter there. Then somebody else cut the secondary cap. We didn't touch it. Then we ran 1 3/4 pipe all the way back into a single blast pipe, 3.5 inch out the back. Look at that. Because you know what? Why not? Let's see how loud it gets. Are you guys ready to hear it? I am. Tell me what you guys think of it in the comments. It was butchered up before. It had like a 5-inch tip, and his buddy did it and just did it, you know, not bad for somebody that doesn't do exhaust. So we cleaned it up for him. And why we put it down low is because he's gonna lower it. He's gonna slam it. So here we go. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe button. Instagram, guys, hit him up and say Exhaust Addicts sent you. 615 Escape. Check it out. We didn't stick it out too far. Just a really clean, a little bit there. Just why not? To show that it had exhaust on it. Yeah, it's definitely louder. Good. It's not crazy loud either. We'll see once it goes under load. He likes it. Your sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 101. Again. Go ahead and back it up. And his Instagram again, 615 Escape. It's clean. If he does a downpipe, a high flow catted downpipe, it gets so much louder. Let you guys hear on the inside. There we go, Ford Escape 2.0 Turbo. Perfect. I think he likes it. It's clean, man. It's not crazy loud. Enjoy, guys.